Hi again. This is another video about cleaning user profile in LibreOffice. What is user profile? This it's a package with your changing in user interface, in the way the LibreOffice looks on your computer. If there are two versions, another new version, some settings could remain from the old version. So we need to go to help, restart in safe mode. Are you sure you want to restart LibreOffice in safe mode? Okay, restart. And now there are four options: restore from backup, configure, supplements, and reset to factory settings. I personally prefer the last one, reset to factory settings, because every change I made, it's gone, will be gone. But I have the chance to have everything working like it should. So I check this, and after that, every theme that I apply, every icon that I have changed will be gone. Let's see. Apply change and restart. And now we have bigger icons. Another theme it's applied. It's a default theme, but we can change this from view, option, view, and now we change to cipher icons. I prefer that one, but I prefer also small icon. So small, 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 and okay. So this is what I like. I prefer more, and I do this every time I reset a user profile. So now we have LibreOffice settings like in factory. It's everything like default, except what I have changed now. This is the version 6.5, a new version which was released recently. I hope you have understood what is cleaning a user profile, and I hope you like it. Please subscribe and watch another video.